In the previous video, we looked at the basic print settings. Today, I'll show you how to create, edit, and remove a print area in Excel. The fastest way to print part of a worksheet is to select the cells you need and open Print Preview by pressing Ctrl+P. In the print settings, choose Print Selection. That's it. Your selected range is ready to print. At the bottom, you can see that it will print on one page. This selection isn't saved. If you click anywhere else and open Print Preview again, you'll see that only the active cell is selected. So this is a quick way to print part of a worksheet using just one setting. Now let's see how to set a print area. Go to the Page Layout tab, where you'll find all the print settings. Open Print Titles. Click inside the print area box, then select the range on the worksheet. You can also type the range manually. Open Print Preview, and you'll see that only this part will be printed. Notice that Print Active Sheets is selected, not Print Selection. Excel automatically prints only the saved print area. Back on the worksheet, you'll see a very thin border around the print area. It may be hard to notice in this recording, but you'll be able to see it on your own screen. Now here's something that often confuses people. If you save the workbook and open it again, you may not see that border at first. However, if you open Print Preview, Excel will still print only the saved print area, even though Print Active Sheets is selected. This is where many people get confused. They wonder why only part of the worksheet prints instead of the entire sheet. When you return to the worksheet, the border usually appears again. The easiest way to see the print area is to switch to Page Break Preview. Go to the View tab and choose Page Break Preview, or click the small button in the bottom right corner. Now you can clearly see exactly which range is selected. If you don't need it anymore, open the Page Layout tab, click Print Area, and choose Clear Print Area. That's it. The selection is removed instantly. Open Print Preview, and now the entire worksheet is ready to print. Next, let's look at how to create multiple print areas. Select the first range, click Print Area, and choose Set Print Area. Then highlight another range, open the same menu, and choose Add to Print Area. Repeat the same step for a third range. Each one is outlined with a thin border. Open Print Preview, and you'll see 3 separate pages, each showing a different part of the worksheet. If you save the workbook and open it again, all of those print areas remain in place. Open Print Titles, and you'll notice that all the ranges are listed, separated by commas. To remove them, simply open Print Area and choose Clear Print Area. Next, I'll show you how to repeat a header row on every printed page. First, I'll create 2 print areas. Switch to Page Layout View, where it's easier to see the page boundaries. Open Print Titles, then click inside the rows to repeat at top box. This arrow will appear. Use it to select the first row. Excel fills in the range automatically. Press OK, then open Print Preview. You'll see 2 pages with different parts of the worksheet, and both include the same header row. Here's another useful feature. In Page Break Preview, you can drag the page boundaries to make each printed page larger or smaller. For example, I'll drag this boundary up, and now everything fits on a single page. One last tip. If you want to print the first column on every page, here's how. First, create 2 print areas. Open Print Titles. Click inside the columns to repeat at left box. Then use this arrow to select the first column. Open Print Preview, and you'll see that the first column now appears on both pages. That's all for today. See you in the next video.